He doesn't want to be put down. I feel like this is cutting me off. He doesn't want to be put down, so this is where we at. Anyway, why are you putting your sock in front of my camera? Let's go out, you guys. I need to straight my bed now. You said you're wearing heels. Go and put on your heels. Morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. It's Sunday today, and the kids are getting ready to go to church. I won't be going to church because of this little one. I think I'll start going to church in May, maybe end of May. By then he'll be like 2.5 months old, so we can safely take him outside. You know, in our culture, you can't really move around with the baby when they're still young like this. You only move around when it's absolutely necessary. Well, that was what I was told, but I don't do it because of that. I just don't feel like it's safe when they're young, and now we're getting into winter, so it's a little bit cold outside, and I just don't expose them.
I want to wear I want to wear
It's all right.
rafters.
Okay. I don't want to expose them to the cold weather and things like that. Our church is still being built, and so it's pretty much an open space at this point. They've got walls up, but the roof is not yet put in. They haven't put in the roof and the windows, so it's still a new site. So people are still contributing towards building the church. And so I just don't expose him to the, wind and stuff like that. I don't want him to get flu, because that'll just be a disaster. But otherwise, it's cute. Look at him. Yeah, so right now I just want to organize this room because it's a mess, as you can see. It's a mess. I slept really late yesterday, editing a video, uploading it. I'm sure you guys have seen it. If you haven't, check it out. It's my last video, and I'm trying to be consistent, you guys, so I want to post at least 3 times a week. Yes, I know we can do it. I know I can do it. I just need to be committed. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I don't know what we're going to be doing. Sundays are mostly just a chill day for us. Yeah, let me get started with my room because this is not cute.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever.
You guys, nothing brings me more joy than successfully putting down this baby to sleep. Let's see how long he's going to sleep for. So I haven't even had my bath. It's around what, 11 right now. What I was trying to do is cook lunch for the kids. They've gone to church. I'm the only one at home right now. I'm here with Ethan. So I was just trying to cook lunch so that when they get back from church, they've got a nice yummy meal to eat. And you guys, my fridge is almost empty. My cupboards are almost empty. It's like we're running low on everything in this house. So I just made rice, and right now I'm cooking beans, and I'm going to fry some pork on the side. And I wish I could make like a coleslaw, but we're out of salad cream. What's happening? That means I am due for my monthly shopping. Husband, if you're watching this, please send us money. We need more money. So I need to go and do some shopping. Maybe tomorrow I'll see how to go about it. But yeah, that is what is happening right now. I also need to go bath. So once I'm done cooking, I can go and bath. I haven't even had my breakfast yet. So maybe I'll just eat lunch. Hopefully I can do all this while Ethan is still asleep. So let's me chop. I look like a mad woman. Look at my hair. Look at it. Look at it. Baby girl, what is happening to you?
For she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. Afraid of loving yourself, cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's...
So I'm thinking that I'll just eat breakfast. I'll just make a quick breakfast right now, and then I will eat lunch with the girls when they come back from church. I really want to have an egg for my breakfast. And the eggs that my chickens lay are the most delicious eggs out there. I don't like even having those eggs that you buy from the shops anymore, because they don't taste as much as the ones that the local chickens are laying. So let me just get one and then have some beans on the side and maybe toast some bread. Ethan is up, you guys. Ethan is crying. This is why I just end up carrying him on my back. Wow.
That'll make her feel better. Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. Talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Hey Ethan. Hi Baba. Hi. Did you just puke? Say hi, mommy. Yeah, hi, mama. You look like a teddy bear. You look fuzzy. Aiwa, ngolunza kamera yangu. Anu, what is it?
Those gloves. Why do you use those gloves?
You want me to get coffee? Some point in our lives, we all get coffee. Your time's now. Come on.
Oh. Yeah, I know.
There you are. The rappers, if my camera drops, I'll beat people.
I'm watching.
New York State will select their next Democratic nominee.
That's it for the rest of the cherry best you can add.
I want you to all understand that it's going to be as a direct result of the commitment and energy of every person.
Me. I think me.
Okay.
I mean that that's just
Me.
that's how important the
Waste of words, waste of breath. 'Cause I've got none to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come. 'Cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go.
So I wanted to show you guys the little chicks that we currently have. There are 2 chickens that hatched, I think 7 and 8 chicks each, and so we've got about 7 plus 8 makes what? 15 chicks right now. So what we did is we took the chicks and just gave them to one mother hen so that she could brood them. She's a really good brooder. She doesn't choose or kill chicks that are not hers. Some chickens, when you try and give them chicks that are not theirs, they will instinctively know and they will kill those chicks. But this one is a really good brooder. So this is the chicken here. Isabel, what's the chicken's name?
Flower.
Flower. So she named her Flower.
Flower Rose.
Flower Rose.
Yes.
Yes. So Flower is taking care of all the little chicks, all these little chicks. They're hiding in the corner right now because they can hear us. Let me just try and zoom in. Flower. So we're keeping them in here. We just put a net around the wall so that she doesn't take the chicks out as yet. These chicks are just like, how many days old now? 4?
5.
About 5 days old now. So we don't want them to go outside yet, because once they go outside, sometimes they just go missing. We've had chicks go missing before. I think anubatwa nema eagles, and anutakura nema eagles. Also, we've got dogs and cats in our yard, so some chicks just mysteriously go missing. So we decided to make this room a brooding room for these chicks. So we've got another chicken that is sitting on its eggs. It's got about 14 eggs right now. So we've just put some food for them here and water in here, which needs to be cleaned. This is the other chicken that is sitting on its eggs. We just put a dish and some grass in there, and yeah. What is this chicken's name, Isa? What did you name it? Have you forgotten? You're the one who named it Heart. Oh, you want to change the name?
Hot chicken.
Heart chicken.
Yes.
So this chicken is really good at sitting on eggs, and she hatches the chicks really well. So these are her second set of eggs that she's sitting on. She's the very same chicken that we took the chicks from to give to Flower, right?
Yes.
Now she's got about 14 eggs that she's sitting on. So what I do is that I just pick the eggs from the chicken house every day, the eggs that would have been laid by the other chickens. And then once I see that a chicken is ready to start sitting on its eggs, I just give them those eggs, because we're having a problem of chickens eating the eggs. We still have that problem, so we do not leave eggs in the chicken house for even a day, because if you do that, the chickens are going to start eating their own eggs, which we don't want. You guys, so this is the chicken feed that we are currently feeding the chickens. We've got layers machine here. This is for the layers. And then we've got what is this? Maize crushes. This is just maize that we took to the grinding mill and they were crushed, and that is what we feed the chicken. And then we've got what is this called? Growers Roadrunner feed. This is what we give to the little chicks. We mix the Roadrunner feed and the, what do you call it, maize crush, and we give the little chicks.
I want to give some chickens food.
There is no food inside there. But they ate in the morning. We put food for them in the morning. Let's go and give them.
Don't you check the other ones?
What are they? But there's food in there, Isabel. You said there's no food in there.
The little chicks.
So these are some of the chickens we have right now. I'll show you guys the new chicken house once it's completed. But like I said in my last vlog, we still have to buy the roofing for this chicken house. So they are currently just staying in it like that. They sleep in that corner that we made the first time we got the chickens. So right now we've got about 40 chickens, like I said. Some are inside there, some are over that side. So the layers are that side because I made can someone please come and hold this for me? No, please come and hold here. So the ones that are this side are laying eggs. Most of them are laying eggs. These are pretty small. I don't know how they got in here. I think they flew over the fence. Huh?
Mom, I want to go and check this egg.
No, there's no eggs. We picked all the eggs. We picked all the eggs in the morning, in the afternoon. So we've got some chickens which are laying eggs in here. We put them this side so that we can just feed these chickens. I know, they'll open that door so that we can feed them layers mash. And I also had this made for them. These are just laying boxes. So this is where they are laying their eggs, and we pick the eggs every day, keep them. Once we see that there's a chicken that is about to start sitting on its eggs, we take it to the other room that I showed you guys. So Isabel just picked an egg. Oh, done, Isabel.
How come the name is down?
No, don't shake it.
Doesn't have anything.
There's an egg inside there. This is an egg. What do you mean it doesn't have anything? Doesn't have a chick.
Yeah.
No, it still needs to be set on first before it can get. So actually for dinner today we're having one of these chickens. And I'm going to show you guys the best way to cook a local chicken. Nothing complicated, just a few ingredients, and it comes out perfect each time. So today we're going to be having local chicken, roadrunner, and sadza for dinner.
No, we want rice.
Isa, please don't drop that egg, okay?
Rice. Rice.
No, we just had rice for lunch. Yes, please.
This is not Mama, tomorrow.